Palette can handle all types of invoice formats: paper, PDF, and electronic. Paper invoices are scanned and interpreted to extract all needed data. Both the header information and also the lines will be extracted. Lines are very important when you want to match an invoice to a purchase order. When the data is extracted, the invoice will be visible in the accounts payable view. Palette has automatically assigned a workflow for each invoice. Invoices will be automatically matched to purchase orders or contracts, and only invoices with a variance needs to be sent out to a workflow. Invoices not matched to a purchase order or invoices with a variance are sent out to the correct user for handling, according to the approval rules. In the inbox, the user will see all needed information about the invoice in one view. You can see the entire workflow for the specific invoice, where the invoice has been and where it will go, the proposed account posting. The posting will be set by the PO or from a posting template, the image with all attachments, and all comments to get the full audit trail. If users want to change something, they can easily do so. As for example, add another user to the suggested workflow. Just search for the user or the role and add it to the predefined workflow. Also, the posting and header information is possible to change according to the user's permission. When the invoice is reviewed, the user will press approve and the next invoice will open up. Approval of invoices can be done from any device, also from your mobile phone.